At this very moment, hundreds of robot, automation and drone companies across Denmark are creating new solutions for industries and societies worldwide, yet their potential is far from realised. Now it's time to provide these companies with the best possible conditions for growth. Time to bring entrepreneurs, talent and research scientists closer together. Time to make Denmark an even bigger, better robot nation. Odense's position as a global centre for robotics development will provide the starting point for Denmark's national robotics cluster. Key learnings from Odense's successful setup and growing industry will be extended to companies across the country. The National Robotics Cluster will also build on the country's world-class innovation partnerships and on the strong commercial and academic activities across Denmark: smart production, tech, mechatronics, autonomous systems, and much more. A national setup of local partners in Aalborg, Aarhus, Southern Jutland, and the Greater Copenhagen area will support the cluster headquarters in Odense, delivering services and networks that will enable companies to leverage synergies, create partnerships, and expand knowledge, to gain even greater recognition nationally and internationally. Now is the time to gather the country's front-runners in technology, our profitable entrepreneurs, our innovators for a better world. As members of one national cluster, we can go stronger together and make Denmark an even bigger, better robot nation.